Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to disable raise to wake mode on Realme mobile. Friends, you want to disable your raise to wake mode on your Realme mobile. So how to disable today friends I will show you, I will tell you. So first of all guys, let's see what is raise to wake mode and how to disable. Friends, you can see when I pick up my phone, friends, you can see my screen on automatic and guys off automatic guys. So how can I disable this setting on my Realme mobile? As you can see, my screen turn on automatic when I pick up my phone. So when I don't want to use this setting guys, I want to disable this setting. So we call it raise to wake mode, and how to disable raise to wake, let's see. Click on phone setting. Friends, click on Realme phone tool setting. At the tool setting friends, we will click here. After on tool setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on gesture setting guys, tap here and when scroll it friends, you can see raise to wake guys. We will click here and guys raise to wake will disable, and friends we cannot use. Friends, now you can pick up your phone easily without on screen. So guys, screen will not on automatic on our Realme phone device. And friends, you can disable direct by search here raise to wake setting guys. And friends, you can see raise to wake guys, direct guys, we can disable guys. Click here and friends you can disable, and friends you can disable from your lock screen setting also guys. Raise to wake is enable, friends you can disable. After disable guys, you cannot use. You want to use guys, again guys you will have to enable, then guys you can use your raise to wake. So as when you will enable, so when you will pick up your phone, your screen will on automatic. So like that guys, we can disable raise to wake setting on Realme mobile. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching.